As our deep dive into the issues surrounding restaurant management and delivery logistics continues, it becomes more and more obvious that we're looking at complicated issues. Recently, I realized that one problem is, and I'm not being flip, that too many cooks spoil the logistics. Now make no mistake, the food delivery backlash is coming. Part of that is customer service related, another about compensation issues, and there is more. Restaurants are having a harder time making money than ever, profit margins on $5 footlongs notwithstanding. But the real issue stretching across all of these loosely related themes is how too many cooks spoil things. So let's get specific. The image you see above and the personally identifiable items are pixelated is a text message I received doing a delivery for one of the food logistics companies I'm working with as we work toward improving that business for a client. Note that I received the note at 8:38 a.m. That's 12 minutes before the 8:50 you see on the text, and it's telling me to wait until 8:55 to make the delivery. Well, I received that text from the company that had placed the order with the restaurant, so let's look at the too many cooks thing. Forgetting the recipient of the food, we have a marketing company that received the order from the customer, the restaurant sending out the order, a food logistics company fulfilling the order for the restaurant at the behest of the marketing company, and someone delivering the food, which in this case was a large catering order rather than a retail job. Again, ignoring the company receiving the food, and oy, did I really say that? Let's look at everyone else. The restaurant wants their food delivered. If the food gets there on time and intact, they don't care how, so long as they can afford the fees. The food logistics company wants the same thing while paying the smallest fees possible and collecting the largest they can. The delivery person wants to get paid, typically with an eye toward both pay and bonuses. And then there's the marketing company. They're who sent that wait until 8:55 message. Problem is, the food logistics company's instructions were deliver between 8:30 and 8:50, and they're who engages the courier, and neither they nor the restaurant who the courier had visited said anything about the 8:55. The courier receives that "you've been bad" message from the marketing company who he or she doesn't know after doing the job properly. Now, in many ways, there were too many cooks involved before the marketing company was interjected, and the relationship between those many cooks is something I'll be writing about. But regardless of those specifics, the problem here is obvious. Too many people are touching the same order, they have too loose a relationship, and all have different goals. Now, if there's ever been a great explanation of that too many cooks spoil the broth adage, this is it, and too many cooks are very much spoiling these logistics. Now remember, the restaurant's needs are simple and need to stay that way. In most cases, the courier just wants to get paid and the customer just wants their food. The problem is that there are two logistics companies with conflicting goals, and for different reasons, they both believe they're in charge. Ever found yourself stuck in a situation like this? Well, the Answer Guy manages sticky situations like this one, and if you need a hand, contact us here. Meanwhile, the recommendation is this. Think very hard before you add a marketing company to your food logistics mix. I'm the Answer Guy, and I'll be back.